Welcome to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.
Hello everyone. In today's video, let's have a look on parts of speech. So, the words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech according to their use, that is, according to the work they do in a sentence. The parts of speech are 8 in number. They are noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Now let's have a look on each one of them. First is noun. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing. The word thing includes all the objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch, or smell, and also something that we can think of but cannot perceive by the senses. Now let's have a look at the example. Akbar was a great king. In this sentence, there are two nouns. One is Akbar and the second one is king. So Akbar is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific person, whereas king is a common noun as it refers to a general title or role. Second example is Kolkata is on the banks of the river Hooghly. In this sentence, Kolkata is a proper noun because it is the name of a city. Banks and rivers are common nouns because they refer to general places or things. Hooghly is a proper noun as it is the name of a specific river. Next is, the rose smells sweet. In this sentence, rose is a noun. Why? Because rose is a common noun as it refers to a type of flower, not a specific one. Next is, the sun shines brightly. Here, sun is a common noun, but it functions almost like a proper noun because there is only one sun for earth. Next is, his courage won him honor. In this sentence, courage and honor both are abstract nouns because they represent qualities that can't be touched or seen, only they can be felt or understood. Now let's know what is an adjective. So, an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. For example, he is a brave boy. In this sentence, brave is an adjective because brave describes the noun boy by telling us about the quality or characteristics of the boy. Next is, there are 20 boys in this class. In this sentence, 20 and this both are adjectives. 20 is a numeral adjective because it specifies the number of boys. This is a demonstrative adjective because it points out or indicates which class is being referred to. Next is pronoun. So a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. For example, John is absent because he is ill. In this sentence, he is a pronoun. So he is a personal pronoun that takes the place of the noun John. It refers back to John without repeating his name. Next is, the books are where you left them. In this sentence, you and them both are pronouns. You is a personal pronoun that refers to the person being spoken to, and them is also a personal pronoun that refers to the noun books without repeating the word books. Next is verb. So a verb is a word used to express an action, event, or state. For example, the girl wrote a letter to her cousin. In this sentence, wrote is an action verb that shows what the subject, that is the girl, did. That is, she performed the action of writing. Next example is, Kolkata is a big city. In this sentence, is a verb because is a form of the verb to be, which acts as a linking verb here. It connects the subject Kolkata to the description, that is, a big city. Next example is, iron and copper are useful metals. In this sentence, are is a verb. Are is also a form of the verb to be, and like is, it serves as a linking verb connecting the subjects iron and copper to the description useful metals. Next is adverb. So, an adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, he worked the sum quickly. In this sentence, quickly is an adverb because it describes how the action that is worked has been done. It modifies the verb work by indicating the manner of the action. This flower is very beautiful. In this sentence, very is an adverb because it intensifies the adjective beautiful. It modifies the adjective by showing the degree of beauty. She pronounced the word quite correctly. In this sentence, quite and correctly are adverbs. Quite is an adverb because it modifies the adverb correctly, showing the extent to which she pronounced the word correctly. Correctly is also an adverb because it describes how she pronounced the word, modifying the verb pronounced. Next is preposition. So, a preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or the thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. For example, there is a cow in the garden. In is a preposition because it shows the relationship between the cow and the garden, indicating the location of the cow. The girl is fond of music. Of is a preposition because it shows the relationship between the girl and music, connecting the adjective fond to its object music. A fair little girl sat under a tree. Here, under is a preposition because it indicates the position of the girl in relation to the tree, showing where the girl sat. Next is conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. For example, Rama and Hari are cousins. In this sentence, and is a conjunction that connects two nouns, Rama and Hari, indicating that they are both being referred to together. 2 and 2 make 4. And is a conjunction here as well, connecting two numbers, 2 and 2, indicating their addition. I ran fast but missed the train. Here, but is a conjunction that joins two contrasting ideas, the fact that you ran fast and the outcome that you still missed the train. Next is interjection. So an interjection is a word which expresses some certain feelings. For example, hooray, we have won the game. Here, hooray is an interjection because it expresses a certain strong feeling of joy or excitement about winning the game. Alas, she is dead. In this sentence, alas is an interjection that expresses a sudden strong feeling of sorrow or regret about someone's death. Now let's know about determiners. So, some modern grammars include determiners among the parts of speech. So, determiners are words like a, and, the, this, that, these, those, every, each, some, any, my, his, one, two, and so on, which determine or limit the meaning of the nouns that follow. All these determiners except a and the are often classed among adjectives in many traditional grammars. So as we have already seen that the words are divided into different classes according to the work they do in a sentences, it is clear that we cannot say to which part of speech a word belongs unless we see it used in a sentence. For example, they arrived soon after. Here, after is an adverb because in this sentence, after modifies the verb arrived by indicating when they arrived. It tells us the time relation between their arrival and other event, that is soon, after some unspecified time. They arrived after us. In this, after is a preposition because after introduces the subject us, showing the relationship between the action arrived and the people us. It indicates that their arrival happened following ours. They arrived after we had left. In this sentence, after is a conjunction because after connects two clauses. They arrived and we had left. It shows the relationship between the two actions, indicating that one occurred following the other. So, from the above examples, we can see that the same word can be used as different parts of speech. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such contents, please subscribe to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.